Today we're going to be changing out the turn signal bulb on our 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee. We're going to replace our headlight later in a different video. But right now, let's fix this turn signal bulb and we'll show you how to do it. The tools you'll need for this basically is a flathead screwdriver, and you'll need a glove so you don't touch the bulb and get your hand oils on it. It shortens the life of the bulb. And of course, I'll show you this long life Sylvania bulb. We'll put a link in the description and I'll show it to you. Let's get started. So this is very easy to do. There's a little clip right here. See that clip? Press it back, all right, and it pops right off. No need to manhandle it or anything. Put it over there like that. And now you can come down and you can see where the brown bulb is inside the car. I'm gonna pull my sleeve up and get my arm in here. And I'm just going to twist it and pull it out. And there it is right there. Now we're going to take the bulb out, just kind of twist it like that and pull it out. So I put a glove on because I don't want to touch the bulb with my hand, get the oils on it. But this is a long life Sylvania 7444NA, and we'll put a link in the description for you. All right, so let's get this bad boy in here. Okay. Back in. All right, so I'm gonna get it back on. See the bulb sliding in right here, see? And then I'm gonna twist it. Righty tighty. There we go. All right, now all I have to do is slide this back on again. Just take it like this. Slide this back on, and just like that, you'll hear it clip in. And that's how you change out your turn signal bulb on your 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.